Good morning in the Americas, good evening in Asia, good afternoon in Kenya and East Africa. Welcome to KTN Business Today. My name is Jimmy Mbogo. We have an amazing show lined up for you this afternoon. And of course, we'll be having a conversation around the current tax regime and the ratings by Moody's, just to understand what does that mean for the Kenyan government in terms of borrowing. But first, let's have a look at how the market is performing. All right, let's get this show on the road now. The State Department of Energy is appearing before the National Assembly's Committee on Energy.